Hello everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating about how to take part in Ped Maa Ke Naam 3.0 for your school and how to log in using your school's UDICE ID and password on the Eco Clubs for Mission Life portal. In order to visit the Eco Clubs for Mission Life portal, you need to visit the URL ecoclubs.education.gov.in. Once you visit this URL, you will be able to see a login button on the top right corner. You need to select that and then go to School Login. Once you click on School Login, you will be asked to enter your UDICE code, which is an 11-digit code unique to your school. Then you need to click on the Continue button. Once you do that, you will be asked to enter your password. It is important to note here that for schools that are logging on to the portal for the first time, they will have to set up their passwords using an OTP that will be shared on their registered email ID and phone number. They can set up their passwords and then log on to the portal. For schools that have forgotten their passwords and need to reset their passwords, they can go to Forgot Password. After going to Forgot Password, they will receive an OTP on their registered email ID and phone number, and then they can reset their password using that. Then, all schools need to enter the CAPTCHA given here and click on Submit. Once you do that, you will be able to see the option to create the event on the left sidebar. Click on Create Event and under the name of the event, mention Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam 3.0. Then you need to mention a short description about the event that was conducted in your school for Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam 3.0. You can mention details that were unique to your school while taking part in this activity. After you've given the description, under Mission Life theme, select Adopt Healthy Lifestyles, and under Mission Life sub-theme, select Plantation Drive. Once that is done, you need to fill in all these details that are present here in the form adjoining to it, such as the date and time of the event that you will be conducting the event in your school, the state name, the district name, as well as the city name. Then you need to click on the Submit button. Once you do that, you will be able to see that your event registration has been successfully done. Once this is done, you need to go to the Event Management tab and select the event that you just created. Then, if you scroll down, you will be able to see more such fields that you need to mention, such as the technological intervention, the pledges that are taken, as well as the number of participation that are segregated into different age groups. Then you need to select the district, the city name, and most importantly, the geotagged photos. Please make sure that while uploading the geotagged photos, the image that you're uploading contains the latitude as well as the longitudinal information of the location that the image was taken at. Also, ensure that the size of each image that you're uploading is less than 10 MB. Also, you can upload a minimum of 1 image and maximum of 5 images only for this event. Please make sure that you do not upload more than 5 images here on the portal. Once you do that, mention a short photo caption and under the number of trees planted, mention the total number of trees that were planted during this activity and click on the update button. Then you will be able to see that your event has been updated successfully.